Exploring Maui's top road to Hana Waterfalls. Twin Falls Beauty. Twin Falls is the first waterfall you will encounter on the road to Hana, surrounded by lush greenery and offering a refreshing swim.
Ocean breeze adventures, your ticket to explore. Discover hidden treasures and so much more. With no stress, no
Wailua Falls Majesty. Venture further down the road to witness the majestic Wailua Falls, an 80-foot cascading waterfall with a magical swimming pond at the base.
Every destination's where freedom flies. I'll show you the wonders, the places untold.
Secret Bamboo Forest. Hidden along the road to Hana lies the enchanting Secret Bamboo Forest, where you can walk through tall bamboo trees leading to a hidden waterfall.
Discover hidden treasures and so much more. With no stress, no worry, just memories to make. Let's plan the trip of a lifetime.
Ohio Gulch Excitement. Ohio Gulch, also known as Seven Sacred Pools, is a series of tiered pools and waterfalls in Haleakala National Park, perfect for a refreshing dip.
Ocean breeze adventures, journeys with heart. Ocean breeze adventures, your ticket to explore. Discover hidden
Hana Falls Paradise. Hana Falls offers a picturesque view of a 200-foot waterfall surrounded by pristine rainforest, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere.
Let me take you where the ocean meets the sky, where dreams are waiting and the sun never hides. No more guessing, leave the planning to
Makapipi
me.
Falls Serenity. Makapipi Falls is a hidden gem along the road to Hana, requiring a short hike to reach the secluded waterfall surrounded by tropical vegetation.
Your ticket to explore. Discover hidden treasures and so much more. With no stress, no worry, just memories to make. Let's plan the
Pua'aka Falls Tranquility. Pua'aka Falls is a serene oasis hidden in the Huelo area, offering a tranquil setting perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation.
Destinations where freedom flies. I'll show you the wonders, the places untold. Adventures await, let the journey unfold.
Experience the magic of Maui. Embark on a breathtaking journey along the road to Hana to witness the beauty and serenity of Maui's top waterfalls, a truly unforgettable experience.
No worry, just memories to make. Let's plan the trip of a lifetime. Your dreams await. Wherever you wander, wherever you roam.
Thanks for watching.